take a selfie.
Let me take a selfie.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about living with my ladies, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take another selfie.